Those familiar with the 3008 will notice a few parts have been lifted from the Peugeot unchanged. The starter button is identical, for example, while many of the warning lights and illuminations on the dash are the same, too. The screen, dials and center console design are all unique, however. Our experiences with Peugeot's quiet and punchy 128 bhp PureTech petrol engine are emulated in the Grandland X. It's our first taste of the new Vauxhall, but given the 3-cylinder turbo's strong performance and reasonable running costs, it's likely to be the pick of the range when it goes on sale in January. It feels more refined than in the smaller Crossland X, thanks in part to the superior 6-speed, rather than 5-speed box. A 118 bhp 1.6-liter diesel is also offered. However, like the Crossland X, the Grandland X's controls are all very light. The clutch and steering don't need much effort, and the gearbox isn't particularly precise. There's lots of body roll, too, and while there's plenty of grip, it isn't much fun to throw through a series of fast bends. It's clear Vauxhall's engineers have prioritized comfort over driving dynamics. A Cephca is more rewarding to drive.